Can't count them. I got 2 gold coins, 7 silver coins, and 82 copper coins. I can make it. Iron pickaxe for 20 silver. Did you buy it? Yeah. Wait, don't buy it. I already have. Okay. There you go. I always got 2 every time. Oh no! That's so easy. Wait. Did my bucket? A bait for fishing? Yeah. Nice. Yeah. What? My inventory is full. I'll put some items in the chest. What? Oh my. It's barely full. That was luck. Come here, babe. No. Bottle? Yes, I'll buy a bottle. I'll buy 2 bottles actually. Now I'm gonna go hunting. See you. I see lots of copper. Pumpkins everywhere. Yay! Yay! So much pumpkins. Hey, check it out there. I guess we get something. 9 pumpkins. I don't have the big blocks. I guess I'll get some here. What? Ouch! Where are you going? Where are you going? Say what? It's because of that music. Butterfly! Yeah! A lip whistle. Yes, please. Butterfly! Whoa! What's that? Down, down, down. Oh, Chase! I found a trophy and I stepped on the trap. Down and down where? Where down? Deeper? Ah. I think I'm deeper. I don't know where it is. Here, I'll hold my umbrella out. Ah! As soon as I kill you. Where's one of the hearts? Probably not enough. Snowballs! Snowballs? Okay. Oh, I have 20 snowballs. How do you put animals? What the? Where did all my animals go? Oh no. I can't do anything. Going on an animal hunt. Ah, go back here. Squidward. Squidward. That's wearing a costume. The one that don't have costume can be. I will fly! Yee! Oh wow, I realized. Where's the animals? I want to still buy them. Bird! Where's the bird's flying? I think we lost it. Where? Hunting for a bird. Where was the animals? Where are they? Oh. What are those? Ah! We got silver coin, a silver coin, 37 copper coins, and 3 torches. Stop taking over like a video! Oh yeah, let's catch some animals. Animals! Yes, but the trees are broken. Yeah. guys. Pumpkin! Oh, bye, what? Dungeon! Wow. Look at this table candy. So where are the Dungeon Guardians? Should we go over it? What? Look at. This candle is giving effects. No? Yeah, it's giving effects. Yep. Why is it?